Curious how AI is transforming modern sales? Welcome to AI Certification in Sales. Learn how AI enhances customer insights, automates processes, and supports smarter decisions. Build practical skills to boost efficiency and drive stronger sales performance. AI transforms sales. Without AI insights, teams risk slower execution and missed opportunities. AI Certification in Sales offers practical AI knowledge to enhance targeting, automate processes, improve forecasting, and optimize decisions. This certification aligns AI tools with goals for smarter strategies and measurable growth. AI Certification in Sales equips professionals with practical AI skills to modernize sales operations and decision-making. Learners gain hands-on expertise in leveraging sales data with AI, exploring AI technologies for sales, integrating AI into CRM systems, applying AI for accurate sales forecasting, and enhancing end-to-end sales processes with AI. This certification enables smarter targeting, improved pipeline visibility, automated workflows, and data-driven strategies that drive higher efficiency and stronger sales performance. AI Certification in Sales is designed for sales executives, marketing professionals, business development managers, product managers, and consultants who want to apply AI in modern sales environments. The program builds practical AI skills for sales data analysis, CRM integration, forecasting, automation, and decision-making, helping professionals improve efficiency, pipeline performance, customer engagement, and revenue outcomes. The AI Certification in Sales validates key AI skills for sales professionals, showcasing expertise in AI-driven data analysis, customer insights, forecasting, CRM integration, and ethical AI use. This aids sales teams in efficiency, engagement, pipeline optimization, and data-driven decisions with responsible AI. Backed by global standards, AI CERT certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join AI Certification in Sales to gain practical AI skills for smarter selling. Learn AI's role in sales data, CRM automation, and customer insights. This certification helps integrate AI with sales strategy to improve engagement and efficiency. Find more details in the course flyer below. Discover AI Certification in Sales to enhance AI skills for data-driven selling. Learn AI's role in sales insights, forecasting, CRM automation, and decision-making. This certification helps improve targeting, efficiency, customer interactions, and drive conversion and revenue through AI strategies. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@synergogy.com or visit our page on synergogy.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.